Ekuru bogete batumite mukana kire antu arume baria bari utongeriene na kubera ati 2027 bakajukia bingi biite biria bikaringirwa kura kiaria kiwomanone kire kubanganitwe ni gikundi giake wopa mubunge wa Koroto Dorothy Muthoni augite bakagwatanira na Gen Z kuona Meru ni kuthura atongeria baba ingi Ekuru kire kithurano gia 2027 muthurumurioki na antetoije
Muthurano narua gikundi kia kithurano gia Ekuru kuma kimbunge nene nikio kiwopa ibakinyite ndene kaunti Meru na kiote kingi ni kwa maritano atongeri mwanya ba Ekuru kirimando jegi otongeria.
And mainly this event is to champion inclusion and looking at women in political spaces. And so we have women from the county assembly, we have former women aspirants, we have religious leaders, we have business leaders, we have wanawake katika kutoka tabaka mbalimbali.
The issue here is where are our women in the decision making table? Are we able to sit there? Are we able to influence policies? Me atokea tutekuomba ku influence policies. When we are not there is nothing for us.
Amnobobo akiaria Dorothy Muthoni urane mubunge wa Koroto augite nandi morto jwao ni gutigira Ekuru bonthe bakwitho bakiromba ite biria bionthe biria bikisiasa ndene kaunti Meru.
Baba bonthe bari aja ni potential candidates by every position. Kwa mwakoro otiomba kwa governor, kwa mwakoro otiomba kwa senator, kwa mwakoro otiomba kwa MP. All these women here na bara ba injana area. It's not limited to all women are potential candidates. These are sitting MCAs, sitting MPs, aspiring MCAs, aspiring MPs, aspiring everything, aspiring senators like me. They are free. And I'm encouraging every
akiuria Ekuru baketha bagitindikanira muno kigitika mubunge omwe Ekuru indi bethe bakiromba ite bingi.
And I'm encouraging all of you. Ito tiga kauche ukinyangana ira gitike women rep peke yake. Yes. We all squeeze and fight for one position. Ito occupy spaces si winge. Can we occupy?
Yes. Ara morto joje Ekuru baugite nandi ni kuwatana na mbeu mbethe ndikenda gutigira kithurano biejete sauti ciao ikithwe ikigikana.
And I'm also asking our young people, let us come up. Batu Ekuru nonto itwene ana baba inyene Gen Zs. Batu to ati map Ekuru na Gen Zs. We occupy. That is what we are saying. That's what we are saying. Onto ana ibeto Ekuru iba muete this time. Tugete kaneria mwakoro tuga no to propose for this to titonge. Tugete kaneria nataka to kwenda kuenja out men from their spaces, but we want to tell them this time they will not have a tise. Tueku mono na bakaigua gwa batwe to abatigeria avant gender room.
Na ito aria na beto inyabo bajuke ibande Ekuru bakagwata na Gen Z o Mheshimiwa Muthoni auga ndena uma tugachenjia narrative in the country right now na tugachenjia mandu maingi muno na kinya Meru yetu ikiendelea gukara bwega na ekare na thiri
bakiuria kagita kare Ekuru barathuru itene bethobero rungika bakienda kurania mungono jo mwega jo Ekuru kagita kara botongeria
Chacha kaunti Meru batwe turi atongeria antu baba ingi bomba kuthugania rira Mwekuru atongeretie cha batwe twari na governor Mwekuru na Ekuru bakathugania pengine kama Mwekuru ri otongeretie twamuitere nontu twamuthurire nontu kari Mwekuru no iyo tongeria ari na bubo buthuku na itukwenda kuikira atongeria baba ingi wiru na kwira Ekuru baba ingi ibatonyo tongeriene Pedro bena mitugo mega na tukaba support nontu Mwekuru mutongeria ituija kethwe na mitugo mega agatongeria bobwega
turira Ekuru bakagwa ibaumire bakaya wakanya nondu twanya turio in our parties, relevant parties anto ibarungame nafasi mbali na ndena uma Ekuru bakaumira na bagasupport Ekuru bangi na gatukuromba Mwekuru kaya wagite nondu bakaya waite bakaria ite biu na bamenye ana ale baba le nyumieto na ana baba le nyumieto ibo baraidete Ekuru na ibwega Muthoni
Muthuri Murioki, Boro TV, Muturio Kangangi.